Best ways to relieve stress while working from home. Due to the contagious nature of the coronavirus, COVID-19, and to curb its spread among people, the government has imposed a lockdown, and because of which most companies have asked their employees to work from home. Working from home has both positive and negative sides to it. For most people, it is the flexibility that comes with working from home, like getting up and going to sleep at times when your body needs it, which can be wonderfully liberating. But also, working from home can feel stressful at times. There are many things that can make you feel stressed out while you are working from home. These include lack of structure, too many distractions at home, difficulty in setting boundaries, social isolation, lack of focus, and poor sleep. In this video, we are talking about ways to combat stress while working from home. Before going to watch this video, please subscribe our channel by click the red color button and press the bell icon to get all our video uploads by notification. 1. Set up a routine. Set up a routine for yourself and follow that every day. It will be easier for you to work on time and prevent distractions from all sides rather than working when you find the time. For example, you could finish all your household work and then start with your office work without any distractions. So, set up a routine and stick to it while you are working from home. 2. Stay connected. Working from home can make you feel a bit lonely and isolated. To help combat this, you can create your own supportive network of colleagues and friends with whom you can chat whenever you are lonely and bored. It is really important to connect with like-minded people with whom you can share certain things during this stressful time. 3. Motivate yourself. To keep you going during this stressful time, it is important to create your own personal rewarding system. You can do this by breaking your everyday tasks into smaller goals, and then when you complete your goal, reward yourself for this achievement. This will keep you feeling motivated. 4. Ask for help. Being home all day doesn't mean that you can or should manage all your household work without help. If you take all the household tasks onto your shoulders, it can become a source of stress. You should ask for help from your spouse, partner, children, or friends, and if you are staying alone, create a schedule for your tasks so that it's manageable. 5. Avoid multitasking. Too much multitasking is good, but doing it excessively will not let you focus on your office work. List down the things that you should do on priority and exclude the things that are not of importance. This will make your multitasking much easier. 6. Take time out for yourself. As you can't go out to distress yourself, you can relieve your stress by reading a book, cooking a healthy meal, taking a 10-minute walk, or listening to songs when you take short breaks in the middle of your work. Focus on what you can do to lessen your stress so that you can enjoy working from home and create an ideal work-life balance during this pandemic. If this video helpful to you, hit like and comment below. Share this video with your friends and family. Do not forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.